What's going on, guys? Okay, so just got to Kennedy Skate Park, or some people call it Hempstead Skate Park. And yeah, I decided today's the day. I'm learning hard flips once and for all. I've always had like a mental block with this trick and just could never do it. And you guys know I've been skating a lot of mini ramp and just learning a lot of tricks on the ramp. And I feel like if I learn hard flips, it'll just open up a whole bunch of other tricks for me. And yeah, it's just about time I learned this trick. So I'm gonna put in the hours today, but first, it's pretty early in the morning right now, so I'm gonna warm up the legs a little bit and warm up. It's all about that early morning session because it's skating for like 15 minutes and I'm dripping sweat right now. Imagine if it was like 3 o'clock and that sun was, yeah.
Yo, let me see something, bro. Come on, let me see something.
All right, guys, the time has come. I'm gonna start trying some hard flips now. Before I do though, I just wanna talk about the actual trick. So for anyone who doesn't know, it's a frontside shove it and a kick flip combined. And there's a couple of different ways you can do this trick. You can do it like a frontside flip where the board almost rotates around you. And then you could do it where the board rotates pretty much vertically. Then you could do it where it rotates about 45 degrees, like half the turn. You turn your body backside and kind of pull it around with your front foot. Don't think we're gonna be doing that one today. Not really sure which one we're gonna end up doing, but yeah, gonna kick a couple around and see where I'm at. All right, wish me luck. First couple of tries, not too bad. Jumping on the board and just flipping it with one foot are two completely different things. It's definitely rotating like that upwards way where it's close to vertical. Yeah, it feels like when I jump with it, it's not gonna flip as well, but yeah, I'm gonna try to stick a couple. So far, they're looking pretty ugly. Gonna keep trying. Oh, that was close. Okay. Oh, that was close. So I've heard a few people say that they use the nose for this trick. I never used the nose for like any of my regular tricks ever. So might feel a little weird, but gonna try that. All right, definitely there. Just feels a little unnatural popping off the nose. Gonna switch back to popping off the tail. Oh. Feels like when I go to stick it, that my foot is just kind of hitting a wall and it's not flipping the same as when I do it with one foot. I don't know, just gonna try to stick every one from here on out. Oh, that's it. Not the prettiest, but we're getting closer. Oh, that's it. All right, that was our first like decent stick. Kind of got past the barrier of like putting 2 feet on it. Now it's just more figuring out how to get it to flip a little bit faster. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it. That's it. Oh my God. All right, so fun fact for you guys, I tore my ACL like, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago, something like that. And then right after it healed, tore my MCL on the same knee and then just never got surgery. So I never really did kickflips after that point. I kind of just gave up on them. And, you know, recently, the past couple of years, I've been working on them, but doing a trick like this, there's just such a mental block with my left flicking foot. So it feels good getting close to this trick. Gonna get it right here. Oh my. Oh. Oh my. That's there. Ow. Yeah. I'm not even mad about that, Primo, because it was kind of close. Oh. That was it. Yes, felt so good. I didn't look too good, but definitely felt good. All right, might have to get one more, a little cleaner. All right, well, definitely still need some work on those, but feel pretty good with the progress I made today. A couple of things I feel helped me learn the trick were jumping behind me, like towards my back, because when I jump in that direction, kind of clears out a path for my foot to flick, if that makes any sense. Also, don't think I mentioned this at the end, but I switched back to popping off the nose, so that definitely was helping me rotate it for one reason or another. Not really sure, but that definitely helped. And the last thing is I put my foot pretty low when I was flicking. This could be different for everyone, but for me, keeping it low just made the board flip a little faster, which I was kind of having trouble getting that rotation down. Yeah, that's it. Felt good to learn a new flip trick, and hopefully I could start getting this into some stalls on the mini ramp. All right, I'll see you guys soon.